Hello, it's Nick, and today I will show you how to create image rotation on mouse hover in Figma. I will use this image of Nike to create this effect. First, I need to add a frame. It will be a container for my image. Set the dimensions of the frame to 400 by 400. Select the image and scale it down a bit. In my case, I want the image to be 50% larger than the container. Move the image to the container and position it within it. Rename the container to cart. Add a corner radius for the cart 16 pixels. Add a subtle drop shadow, just to communicate a sense of interactivity of this element. Create a copy of this cart and give it a name cart2. The key difference between those two carts will be the angle at which you will rotate the image. So, select the image in the second cart and rotate it. Very important moment. Ensure you use the same name of the image object in both carts. If the name of the image will be different, you won't get the right effect, because Figma will assume you are using two different images in the carts. Hide the drop shadow effect for the second cart. Select both frames and create a component set. Rename a component set to cart. Switch to the prototype mode. Create a transition between the first and second variants. The transition will be triggered by mouse hover over the cart itself. The animated effect will be Smart Animate, Ease In and Out, and 300 milliseconds timing. Time to test our design. Create a test frame. Switch to the Assets tab. Drag and drop the cart component to the test frame. And click Preview. Let me know what you think about these animated transitions in the comments.